Welcome! In this video, we'll dive into the e-commerce search consultation assistant from Magento 2, a voice-controlled web assistant that transforms how users interact with your store. This module allows customers to search for products and receive personalized recommendations simply by using voice commands. With its accurate speech recognition and intuitive design, the assistant ensures a seamless and engaging shopping experience. Let's explore how it works. I am going to trigger a search using voice commands. Let's search for yoga t-shirt. As you can see, the assistant accurately recognizes the voice command and returns relevant product recommendations. This seamless process helps enhance the customer experience and makes shopping easier. Let's begin integrating the GoAI E-Commerce Search Consultant module into your Magento 2 store. You can install the module either manually or automatically. Each method involves downloading the module, completing the setup in Magento, and verifying that the module is enabled in the admin panel. For detailed instructions, refer to the module's user guide, which covers the full installation process step by step. Once installed, configure the module through the Magento admin panel. Navigate to Search Consultant settings, enable the module, and add the unique script URL generated in the Assistance Management panel. To configure the e-commerce search consultant, start by logging into the Assistant Management panel and accessing the configuration panel through the e-commerce search consultation section in the sidebar menu. Customize the assistant's appearance by adjusting visual preferences such as button color, background color, and position. Enable AI model integration by entering the required API tokens in the designated section. Once your configurations are complete, save your changes by clicking the Save Configuration button. Finally, verify the setup by checking that the Search Assistant button appears in the configured position on your site and performing a test search to ensure accurate and relevant results. The integrated analytics dashboard offers valuable insights into how users interact with the Search Assistant, helping you fine-tune its performance. Monitoring key metrics is essential to understanding and optimizing the performance of the e-commerce search consultant. Token usage provides insights into total tokens consumed, successful results, and queries without results at all, helping evaluate how effectively the AI addresses user needs. Device statistics reveal whether users are searching via desktop, mobile, or tablet, enabling better audience targeting. Geographic usage highlights the countries where the search assistant is most utilized, offering valuable regional insights. Additionally, reviewing the latest recommendations, including recent search queries, recommended products, and user interaction details, helps fine-tune the assistant for enhanced engagement. The e-commerce search consultant revolutionizes online shopping by providing personalized product searches, enhancing user experiences, and increasing conversions. Its intuitive design and AI-powered functionality make it a standout tool for modern e-commerce. For assistance, our technical support is always available through the AI Hub or the Assistance Management panel. We are here to help you every step of the way. Take the next step in optimizing your e-commerce platform. Get started today! Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you transform your online shopping experience. Goodbye!